It goes back to the 0. Good.
Okay, good.
I'm gonna put the here. Put the hexagon, go to triangle here.
Okay.
And go to back to here.
Okay.
Nope, and just fit this. Nope, fit this here.
This way?
Yes.
Something like that? Push up and then
The
what?
wheel too. Put the wheel
Oh,
on.
no.
The wheel.
Okay, one here.
The round.
No, I know.
Make wheel on the top.
Okay, we will to top.
Make the round.
With the round wheel.
Yes, and put the wheel on the top.
Okay, wheel. And what else?
And make the put lines in here.
You got it here?
Make put ice cream. Make ice cream cream. Make ice cream here.
Okay. I got it. What else? Goes all the way down?
Yes, all straight.
All the way down?
Yes,
Okay.
keep it 5 on it.
Get it on the 5?
Yes.
Okay, and
Put
make
it
one more
here.
wheel. One more wheel. Like this, make a
Yeah.
line also?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, make a line too. And do a wheel again?
Yes.
How about messy? What are you doing?
Make
What's
the wheels is here.
small wheel again?
Yes.
Okay.
On the top and make more paper for this.
For what?
Yes, they make it the mouth too.
Oh,